Okay, so we're gonna film. We're gonna put the key on. We're gonna see that the little line is right on the first dash, and we'll start pouring in the first bucket. As he pours in the gas, we're gonna hopefully see the gauge will start to fill up toward the right. We're gonna put 5 gallons in. Okay, the gauge is moving. It's moving to the left, and I think it's probably will start teetering more to the right. Okay, that's 1 bucket. I'm going to continue adding. Now we'll start with the second bucket. And we can see the gauge is moving now. It is slightly past the first white line on the left, which indicates empty, but it's starting to fill up now. As we add the second, you see the line, let's just say the lever line, there we go. So the light went off. So it's noting that we have at least 2 buckets. So when you have about 2 buckets full of gas, that's when the light goes off. So there we go, it cleared the line and it continues filling up. You can see the next line it's going for, that is the quarter mark, half mark. So it's at 1/8 right now. 1/8 of a tank full. Okay, that's finished 2 buckets. And we're gonna continue with the third bucket now. So it is working now. This is the third bucket. So this gives you an idea of how much fuel you need in the car. Okay, I just saw it move toward the 1/4 mark. And it's more toward the 1/4 than 0. So it continues filling up. Okay, that's 3 buckets. 4th bucket now. 4th bucket will probably get us to 1/4 of a tank. And now it's starting to touch the 1/4 tank mark after 3 buckets. And there we go. We're at 1/4 of a tank right now. And 3 buckets full of gasoline. And it continues to move toward the halfway mark. And now it's slightly past the 1/4. That's it. Okay, so there we go. There we go. All the buckets are in, and we're past 1/4 of a tank.